Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah.
Hello. Hi, what's the name? What's the name?
I should say it.
Well, it says Peter, and you don't really look like a Peter.
Peter's my daddy. You know what I mean. So he got it for me.
He's your daddy?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Because usually I don't pick it up unless you're like they're in the car.
Yeah, he's in the bathroom. He's having a bit of a irritable bowel thing, but I have to go get this facial done, so he just wants me to look nice and micro-needled for later.
Okay, you're 100%.
Yeah, no, it's Peter.
Okay.
Peter.
Well, there's a lot of people there.
No, just go.
Okay.
Thanks.
I think your door, is your door open?
Oh, yeah, I get a little nervous sometimes.
Can you wear your seatbelt, please? Thank you.
You're really demanding.
These are basic rules, so. So is there a reason why you didn't order the ride?
I don't have Uber because I'm not like a peasant.
Wait, what?
So, I mean,
are you dissing my career?
No.
I'm a full-time driver.
No, I mean, that's great for you. That's a great thing to do. But
yeah, I make like at least minimum wage. Like, it's pretty good.
No, that's amazing. I'm so proud of you. But no, I'm just saying that I don't have to, I don't like mess around with that kind of stuff. So I just have daddy order me stuff.
Do you fly first class on planes?
No, I fly private.
So you're rich?
I don't know.
But you don't make your own money. What does your dad do? Wait, you said it's your dad, right? Like your actual dad?
In a way, yes. In a way, no.
That sounds weird.
A lot of things.
Somebody literally like somebody spammed me like 7 times. Hold on. You don't mind if I answer this real quick, right?
I would actually prefer you not to be on the phone while we're driving.
You're Peter? You're my Uber passenger? My real one? Oh my gosh. Dude, this chick literally just said that you ordered the ride for her and you were her daddy or something. Is that true? Oh, I'm so sorry. Dude, I'll be there and give me 2 minutes. I barely left the place, so I'll be right back. All right, yeah, please wait. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. You lied to me. You literally lied to me. You're trying to get a free ride. What? Okay, I'm gonna drop you off at this gas station. I'm taking to this gas station. Das vidanya. You need to get out. Okay, I don't know what you're doing. What language are you speaking? You're crazy, lady.
No,
okay, you can get out right here, okay? There's a payphone, you can order a new ride, I guess. What is wrong with you? Don't slam the door on your way out!